Coming up, I'm going to be showing you how to make these adorable mini cakes. They are so cute and really easy to make. They make an extra special treat for a party and they're just something a little bit different. So keep watching to find out how I made them. And welcome back to my channel, all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these adorable mini cakes. These are my mini cakes. They are bang on trend at the moment and I'm seeing them everywhere, and I thought I'd give them a go myself because I am obsessed with anything that is mini, like a smaller version or a cuter version of a larger thing. I want it in my life and these are no different. I thought I'd make 3 today to show you. I have a unicorn one, a red velvet one and a chocolate one, which is like a little sundae. I've added a cherry on top to finish it. They not only look great but they taste amazing too. So let's get started on this easy recipe. So after mixing up my vanilla cake batter, I'm going to divide my mixture amongst 3 bowls for my unicorn cake, my red velvet cake and my chocolate cake. So let's get started on that. Okay, so I'm just going to add my cake batter to some cupcake cases. They're going to go into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're done when you insert a little skewer and it comes out nice and clean. And then when the cupcakes have cooled completely, I can cut them into my mini cake size. Okay, so when the cakes have come out of the oven, I'm just going to place them on a wire rack to cool completely, and when they're completely cool, then I can come back with the serrated knife. I'm just going to chop off the top of the cupcakes. I'm then going to chop them in half, and that way we get 2 kind of like evenly sized top and a bottom of a cake, so I can sandwich them together with something delicious. And you just want to kind of trim the edges, trim the top, make sure everything is nice and level. It can be a bit tricky and take a bit of time, but it's all worth it in the end when you get this really cute little mini cake. So let's get started on that. Okay guys, so for the decoration, it couldn't be easier. You just pick whatever flavors, colorings toppings that you want. I'm going to go with sprinkles, cream cheese frosting for my red velvet cupcake, some candy melts for my unicorn cake, a cherry on top of my chocolate cake, and of course lots of sprinkles to finish off. I'm going for some gold dusting on top of my unicorn cake, and you'll see that in the last part when you see the fabulous cakes up close and personal. And I really had fun decorating, so this is where you can get creative and have some fun. So let's get started on that. Okay guys, so that is it. These are my fabulous mini cakes. I'm so happy with the way they turned out. They're really cute. They're a really fun party alternative to a cupcake or something like that that you would normally make, or even a cake pop, which has been on trend for years now. These are the new thing and I love them. I'm definitely going to be making more mini cakes. Please let me know if you're going to try out the recipe, if you've made mini cakes, or what you'd like to see on the channel. Give me a big thumbs up, of course, if you've liked that video. Hit the subscribe button and comment below and let me know if you want to make them or if you'd like to make them. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.